The ultimate OMG moment is here. We have our first look at what could be our greatest upgrade on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it's definitely not a good news for Apple. Samsung is about to break all the records when it comes to graphical performance on a smartphone. Today we got our first look at the GPU performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and well, we have 15,434 score, which is just absolutely bonkers compared to the 10,000 score of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, meaning the S24 Ultra's GPU would be 50% more powerful than the GPU inside the Galaxy S23 Ultra. That is an insane GPU jump, something not even Apple was able to do, as the A17 Pro's GPU was only 20% faster than the GPU inside the iPhone 14 series. Keep in mind, this is an early benchmark, so very likely the final scores will be even higher than this. Judging from this, Qualcomm and Samsung will once again beat Apple when it comes to graphic performance. Now, as for CPU, Apple is having the lead, but we have seen how things are going right now for the iPhone 15 Pro when it comes to overheating issues, so 3nm isn't really a flex anymore. At this point, I'm actually happy that the S24 Ultra is using the 4nm TSMC process. So a 50% faster GPU with the S24 Ultra is absolutely nuts. The only thing I hope for now is we see some console quality games similar to what Apple did, bringing games like Resident Evil 4 and AC Mirage on mobile phone. I really hope Samsung does something similar so we can actually put that beast of a GPU to some good use. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Also in the news, Samsung is already securing their future, and by that I mean Galaxy S25. Thanks to folks over Galaxy Club, they found that Samsung is already registering the Galaxy S25 brand name in some markets, meaning the flagship after the S24 will be called as S25, and Samsung will most likely keep this naming going for a very long time. Now, last but not the least, the Galaxy S23 FE is officially coming, and although I've already made my thoughts clear on Twitter how I feel about this device, there's one very interesting thing going on, which is the Exynos 2200 chip inside this phone. It actually performs drastically better than the S22 lineup from last year. I don't know what optimization Samsung has done to the Exynos 2200, but it is actually showing some really great results when it comes to benchmarks. And that gives me a little bit of hope for the Exynos 2400 that we're going to see on the S24 and the S24 Plus next year. Hopefully Samsung will be making the S24 Ultra Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 exclusive. So that's all the latest news. Let me know what you think of perhaps the craziest year-on-year upgrade, which is the 50% faster GPU on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for all the latest videos. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.